we're up to number 7 already. If you've watched all the videos in this series, well done and thank you. If you missed any and you want to go back and watch them, I've put links to them in the information below. By now, I guess you know that I'm Rachel Papworth from Green and Tidy, the online professional organiser. I liberate busy women like you from the shackles of clutter and disorganisation so you get peace of mind and achieve whatever you've set your heart on. I hope you're finding the videos helpful. Please do comment below to tell me what difference they're making for you. I always reply. And I appreciate all likes. There are lots more clutter clearing pitfalls that I can help you avoid, and I picked these 7 because they're the ones I see people make most often. And the one I'm about to talk to you about is huge. You see, clutter is caused by one of 2 things. Yep, that's right, there are just 2 causes of clutter. What are they? Deferring decisions and not finishing tasks. That's it. Any bit of clutter is one or both of these, even stuff you want to keep that's just in the wrong place, in other words, disorganisation, because that's caused either by deferring the decision as to where the thing should go, or not doing the task of putting it there. So when you sort through your clutter, you will inevitably find a load of stuff that requires you to make a decision or take an action. And unless you make those decisions and take those actions, you won't be able to get rid of the clutter. Once you've made the phone call, you can get rid of the letter it relates to. When you've sewn that button back on, you can put the shirt back in the cupboard. When you've decided whether or not you're going to buy that item, you can either use the coupon or chuck it in the recycling. Clutter clearing mistake number 7 is not taking the actions. Procrastinating. We're all procrastinators, me included. How many times have you missed out on something because you put off taking action? The film's no longer on at the cinema. The offer's expired. That Pilates class doesn't even run anymore. Along with this video, for a short time only, I'm offering you a massive discount on my Paperwork Declutter video course. Learn how to put everything I've covered in these videos and more into practice on the eternal bugbear of paperwork, everyone's nemesis. Let me hold your hand through a complete paper declutter, from financial documents to photos and kids' artwork. Learn the 4-tray paper processing system that will make keeping on top of your paperwork a cinch. Find out how to make your tax return a doddle. I'll show you how to create and maintain an effective filing system so that you can always find any piece of paper you need. No more failing to meet deadlines, missing out on opportunities, losing touch with friends because you can't find the paperwork you need. By the end of the course, you'll be able to stay on top of your paperwork, quickly and easily dealing with and organising all paper that comes into your home. And whatever you do, don't have this discount be one of those things you miss out on because you left it too long. Take the action, grab the discount and get lifetime access to the course by clicking the link below. Welcome to Green and Tidy. I'm really looking forward to liberating you from your clutter.